Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, I am excited because we are unboxing the Apothecary Flashcards, a botanical home remedy. So this is by Nicola McIntosh, published by Rockpool, retailing for $19.95 in the US and $14.99 in the UK. And thank you so much to Rockpool for sending this my way. I am so excited about this. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. Whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media as well as a whole bunch of other links. So have fun checking that all out, and let's get into it. A beautiful, informative set of 40 herbs and their healing properties from best-selling herbalist Nicola McIntosh, a pocket guide to everyday herbs you can bring into your medicine cabinet, the remedial uses, and how you can apply them at home. All right, so we have this magnetic opening. A world of healing awaits those who follow the plant path. Oh, so we have the flashcards and the ring that it'll go around to contain them all. And it says, to explore these home preparations further, my book Plant Spirit Medicine will guide you when you're making herbal preparations to keep in your home apothecary. I am so excited. All right. So they're a great size, and with this to attach them to, fantastic. That's great. So it's all in one. You can carry it around, take it with you about in your garden, or you can bring it with you on your plant nursery trips to go see if they have the plants you need. That's exciting. So it says about the cards, the Apothecary Flashcards are a quick and easy way to learn about herbs or add to your current herbal library. Here you will find 40 herbs that are readily used and can mostly be grown at home, along with their botanical names, actions, uses, and what type of home preparation you will most likely find them in or use them in. Many herbs may be classed as weeds, but herbalists know their true worth. You would be surprised to know how many herbs may be available to you right away. Some of you can buy, some will be growing out of cracks in the footpath, and some you can purchase in your local nursery. If you are new to herbal medicine, take one herb you are drawn to and work with it until you know all the wonderful ways it can be used, then go from there. The world of herbal medicine awaits you, and there you will find a whole apothecary at your fingertips. The rewards are endless, and once you start the journey, you will follow the path for the rest of your life. Note, it is extremely important to correctly identify the plant that you are using, as there are many lookalikes. These cards are not intended to diagnose or treat any conditions. Okay. So we have points to know. Each medical herb can have many actions on the body. Explanations of actions can be found below. So then we have the herbal actions. Nice. So many of them. Okay, so we have a full list here with their meanings. Nice. And then we have terms used. Oh, that's really great. So then you can just flip right to what you need. And if you don't understand something, you got that little cheat sheet. And let's talk about the cardstock. It is nice. So it's on the thicker side, which is fantastic for flashcards like this. So it'll be sturdy. It'll hold up to you taking it around and utilizing it. And it is a matte. So we have the picture. We have the name. And then on the back, we have all of the information. Fantastic. So what I'm going to do is just flip through the picture parts, and then we will pull a card to read the back of. And I will not be shuffling this, as it's not meant to be a shuffled deck. I love that addition of having that little ring there. Love calendula or calendula, however you guys pronounce it. Oh, we have the chamomile. This is fantastic for those of you who are trying to learn more plant magic, green witchery, kitchen witch. The size is really great too. And then you can see the, I'm not going to say embossed because that's not what it is, but you can see the overlay of like the basket weave in the pictures, which gives it a nice little touch. Lavender. Lemon balm. I still need to get a mugwort plant. Come spring, I will be purchasing a lot more herbs because my seeds did not grow for nothing this year. Such a pretty flower. Rosemary. I use rosemary so much. This is culinary sage or common sage. Oh, that's interesting. All right, so what I will do is just kind of split it. Okay, so we're going to read for lemon verbena. Botanical name, Aloysia citriodora. And the parts used are the leaves. Actions, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anoxylytic, appetite suppressant. Medicinal uses, stress, insomnia, digestive complaints, weight loss, calming for the nervous system. And home remedy, best drunk as an infusion or tea, and cautions none. Okay, so that's really cool. So like, you know, here's one, a caution, do not use in the ear if the eardrum is ruptured for melanin. Okay, oh, I really like this. Okay, so what we're gonna do is put this little ring on, attach it. Just thread it in. Then it looks like, is it a magnet? Oh, it's a screw. Oh, but, uh-oh. It doesn't appear to attach. Okay. All right, so maybe I just got a defective device, or I just don't know what I'm doing. Could be either of those options, but it's not connecting. It looks like there's supposed to be a screw situation and it is not doing that. So I might have just got a defective one, but I did want to take a peek at the herbal actions here for like the antibiotic and antibacterial. Here we go. Kills or prevents the growth of bacteria. Antifungal, treats and inhibits the growth of fungi or fungi. Anti-inflammatory, reduces inflammation. So antioxidant, that's what the other one, protects against free radical damage. So for all of those little points back here, you can flip to the front and see what it actually does, what those meanings. So the only complaint I have is this came defective, but other than that, I think this is fantastic. I think this is a great quick flip through to figure out, you know, what you might need, or if you have this in the area, what you can use it for and how to prepare it. Is it dangerous? That sort of a thing. And then you can use other plant books to kind of dive further if you wanted more information on it, especially since she has a book that would be fantastic to pair it with. But I like the idea of it being flashcards. I like the idea that it is easy access, and the price point seems pretty fair to me. So with all of that, I would love to know what your thoughts of this deck is. Is this something that you're excited about? Is it something that you can see yourself using? Or is this just something that, you know, is a pass for you because you don't necessarily know that you're going to use it? I will say that foraging, this would come in handy if you are somebody who wants to take part in that activity, or, you know, just go out in your park and see what plants you can identify. That would be fun too. So I'm excited to get to know this a little bit better, to see how I'll best utilize it. But now I want to know what you guys think. In the comments, drop an herb little emoji to let me know you made it this far. And thank you so much to Rockpool for sending this my way. I'm really excited. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. And if you haven't done so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.